15 Airport report your Bravo hostile force or friendlies.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The countdown's over for 12th gen Intel Core processors and out-of-the-box Windows 11 compatibility. The ASUS Prime Z690-A is going where no board has gone before with Intel's latest LGA 1700 socket. Explore new horizons with PCIe 5.0 and DDR5 compatible memory. PC DIY friendly features like ASUS's proprietary Q-latch and SafeDIMM technologies make building easier than ever. The mounting holes allow builders to use both LGA 1700 and the older LGA 1200 compatible coolers, so there's no need to jettison older components. Lift off with ASUS Prime Z690-A.